YouTube.
I thought this was a fantastic build. Super fun. There were a couple of changes that I decided to make from the original, namely these stickers. In the box, you'll see in the artwork that comes with the set, there are stickers on there to make the Ecto-1 look old, to make it look like it does from the new Ghostbusters movie. I just did not like the way these stickers looked. I think it looks much cleaner without it, and so I decided to leave the stickers off, and I think it was an improvement. There's a couple of fun Easter eggs with this set. Namely, you got this little Stay Puft marshmallow bag in the front seat. You see the doors work, they open and close. This is not the Ecto-1 for the original movies. This is from the new Ghostbusters Afterlife, and you can see the remote-controlled ghost trap there in the back. And you actually can release the ghost trap by pulling out this side panel, and it sends it shooting out. I think that was a great addition, and just makes this set so much more playable. So you put the set back in there. You can see the door opens and closes very well, and they're actually on the opposite side of this. There's a button, and they hit it really well. So you can see this front door works. The reason the back door doesn't work is so that they could put this new little button in there. And it is the button that the ejector seat causes it to come out on the opposite side. It's that panel right there. So if you flip the car around and open up the passenger side rear door, you'll see that there is not the ejector seat, but the gunner seat. The gunner seat is right there. And so you just reach around, push the button on the other side, and it shoots the gunner seat right out. And you could almost fit some of those real Ghostbusters action figures in here, but it's not quite large enough. But there is a lot of functionality. You can see if you turn this up here, it actually moves the steering wheel, and while it moves the steering wheel, it's moving the tires as well. You can open up the hood, and they put some great engine detail in here. I wish, anytime they have to use stickers, it's a shame. But this is a sticker, the Ecto-1 is, but that front grille, they did a great job with it. There are a couple other moving features on this, so if you push the car around, you can see the little radar dish spins, and the gunner turret moves. This is a must-have set for any real Ghostbusters fan, and I highly recommend it.
iFunny TV. Ha ha ha! On YouTube. Ha ha ha! Here is